everyone, welcome to the India's largest e-learning platform, and this is Achievers Corners. And we have M. Harichandana who secured All India rank 86 in EC in GATE 2021. So Harichandana, welcome to the session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so Harichandana, uh, when you have started your preparation, and but before going to that technical question, just give us some brief idea about yourself. Just tell me something about yourself. From what is your background? From where you have graduated, right? Everything.
Okay, sir. Myself, Harchandana. I'm from Khammam district, Telangana. I graduated in Electronics and Communication Engineering from JNTU College of Engineering, Hyderabad in 2018.
Okay.
After that, I worked as an engineer at L&T Technology Services for 1.5 years. After that, I resigned from the job and I prepared for GATE 2020. And I got All India rank 1512 in GATE 2020. But that time I'm preparing parallelly, like along with job. So that's why I'm not able to complete all subjects. Then I thought, okay, if I can give one more chance to myself, then I can get good rank. So I started again preparing for 2021 and I got 86th rank in EC this year.
That's great. 86 rank is also what was your marks actually? What is your marks?
59 marks, sir.
Okay, 59 marks and 86 rank. That's great. So Harichandana, when you have started actual the preparation, and as you told that you have started your preparation and full-fledged preparation after the quitting the job or in the 2020, right? After the 2022, 2021. That is the duration.
Yes.
But when in the college, you have also thought about the GATE exam, sir, I have to appear into the GATE exam and I have to prepare for the GATE. In the college also, you have thought regarding to that?
Yes, sir. In college also, like 2018, I wrote GATE exam, but that time I got 3000 rank, around 3000 rank. After that, I got placement in L&T Technology Services, and then I joined there. So after working there for 1.5 years, I thought, okay, like, can I do, like, if I can do better, then why I have to stay here and do this job? Like, I want to join some research institutes like ISRO and BARC and all.
Definitely.
So that time ISRO notification came in Jan 12th.
Yes.
I applied for that. I just prepared 2 months along with job, and I got shortlisted for interview.
Oh, that's great. The interview happened, or it is still pending?
No, sir. It got postponed
It's still pending.
Due to this pandemic.
Pandemic, yes.
So that after that I wrote GATE also that year. After writing that GATE exam, before results only I resigned the job.
Okay.
Because that time I have not prepared subjects like EDC, EMT, communications and all. I'm sure if I prepare all those subjects properly, then I can get good rank.
Definitely.
Then I thought of resigning that job and I came to my hometown. And after that, I wrote BARC exam also.
Okay.
I missed that by like less margin.
Okay. So Harichandana, how you have prepared for the subject that's EDC analog, that is you have analog or the communication EMFT, which is already a very tough subject. You can say that for the EC student are facing very much of problem in these EDC, especially for the EDC and communication. So how you have started your preparation and how you have deal these particular for these two subjects?
Yes, sir. Like initially, I was also like, I was also like I am also thinking that these are very tough subjects. I can't crack like that. But it will take time. So like other subjects like control system, digital electronics, they will take less time, as those are easy subjects to everyone.
Everyone, definitely.
So I first I'm reading my notes only properly.
Okay.
After that, I am solving previous year questions, and like by preparing, like practicing more number of questions only, I got much more knowledge in these subjects, sir.
Okay.
Like through questions only, I practiced.
Okay, definitely. I used to say the word into the class also. Ki 50% you can learn from the theory and 50% you can learn from the question. If you solve the lots of question, then you can even if you are solving or if you are reading the theory, then lots of people having the problem how to apply that concept into the question. So it's better
Yes,
little bit
sir.
of theory concept is if you have a command of the theory directly you will go into the questions and then you can solve the question as much as possible. Because if you solve the more question, the more clarity you will take place, and definitely you will get the capability, or you will develop the capability to facing the problems also, right? And as we know, the GATE is just a numerical based exam, right? So more question practice
Yes, sir.
will be the
And
result.
also,
So
yes,
Harichandra,
yes,
have you
sir. We
attempted the
can
test?
see that
Yes, yes, yes.
this year gate question, like gate paper was very lengthy. If we practice more, then only we can handle that pressure in that exam.
Definitely, definitely. In this year, a little bit lengthy, especially for
Yes,
the
sir.
communication. And some question is basically you can say that the MT also marks to all also, just like a mathematics question and
Yes,
right.
yes, sir.
Okay, and
Because
sometimes
of that only, like most of the people wasted so much of time in those questions.
definitely, definitely. So Harichandra, how much test series you have attempted?
Sir, I took grade up green card. Like whenever when I'm preparing for ISRO exam only, because I have never seen anywhere any test series regarding Bark and ISRO. First time I got to know that grade up has ISRO and Bark tests also. Then
Okay,
I thought of purchasing grade up green card, and I'm telling seriously, most of the Bark questions in the final exam are mostly from grade up tests only.
okay, that's great.
It was very yes, sir. Even I got shocked after seeing that most of the questions are matching with the main exam.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So,
Uh,
Harichandra, you have attempted the test series, and
so
you can feel the Bark exam is similar to the Bark test series, and the grade of test series for the Bark and the ISRO is similar, right? That's great.
yes, sir.
Even
Yes, sir.
even I know your name. I think in the lots of Menti war or Menti quiz you have
Menti
attended.
bar.
Yes, I
Yes,
remember that.
sir.
Okay. So, Harichandra, what was your strategy in this 2021? You have secured the All India rank 86. So, what was your strategy you followed for the competition exam so that you will get you got actually 86 rank? What was your strategy?
Yes, sir. Previously, like I attempted GATE 2020 also. After that, I took a blank paper and I like analyzed everything. In which each and individual subject, how many marks I got, like in which subject I am very weak, like that. That in that I got to know that signals and systems I got negative marks in final exam.
Okay.
Then I thought, okay, this was my very weak subject. Okay, apart from communications and all, okay, that is difficult for everyone. But
Definitely.
signals and systems, I got negative marks. Okay, then I thought I'll prepare, I'll start preparation with this subject.
Okay.
I used to study only one subject at a time. Now, after studying theory and practicing questions and practicing previous year questions, then I used to write a subject test and part test from different test series.
Okay.
After that, I used to go to another subject and again same strategy for next subject also. After completing two subjects, from like third subject will go third subject also, like after that parallelly I used to revise first two subjects
First
along
or two
with the
subject.
third subject.
Definitely.
Mm.
So, guys, of people who are preparing for the GATE 2022, that is the suggestion from the Harichandra also. If you are reading the one subject and after that you are going to the next subject, so it does not mean that you were not going to revise the first subject. Before going to start the second subject, you have to revise entire subject of the first subject. You have to revise. After that, if you are completed the first subject and second subject, and if you want to go to the third subject, before the starting the third subject, you have to revise the first and second subject grouped together, so that whenever you will move into the forward, you are taking all the subjects together in the together. You can say that into the together, right? So that it will help you to revise the subject. It will help you to make your confidence level up, right? So Harichandra, according to you, right, according to the toppers, M. Harichandra, who secured all India rank 86, what was your suggestion for the people who are preparing, who are in the college, whether it is in first year or second year or third year and final year? What was the right time? What will be the right time to prepare for the GATE exam? What is the right
Um,
year actually?
Yes, sir. As all of us know, like from now third year people also can write GATE exam.
Yep.
So it is better like from second year onwards, actual GATE subjects will start. So it is better to start from second year only. Like if you are really interested into GATE,
Okay.
some people can be like some people will think, okay, I'll try placements also, parallelly GATE also. After that, they will regret.
Definitely. So guys should be focused in the one direction, and if your target is for GATE, then second year is the right time to prepare for the GATE exam, because already you have to write the exam into the third year, because nowadays the third year people are also, students are also eligible for GATE. So the right time for the preparation of the GATE is the second year, because most of the subject of the GATE is also comes into the second year. It will be start from the second year itself. So it will help you into the university exam as well as into the GATE exam also. That's great. So Harichandra,
Yes,
what is your
sir.
future? What is your future plan?
I'm planning to join in PSU, sir. If I'll get, otherwise I'll do MTech, sir.
Okay, otherwise you will do the MTech, and definitely you will get the good IIT Mumbai or ISC also. I think you have filled the form up for the ISC.
Yes, sir. I applied ISC and IIT Bombay and Madras.
Okay, received the interview call, ISC.
No, sir. I think for those VLSA and ESC, there is no interview. It is based on CAM and
Yes,
GATE
yes,
score. That's
definitely. Okay, so that's great. So Harichandra, if you want to conclude everything, preparation strategy, if people are preparing for the GATE 2022 and they want be a topper just like you, right? So what are the 3 points you want to suggest for those students who are preparing for the GATE 2022? 3 points by which they will definitely get the under 100 rank.
okay. First, our goal must be our goal must be very strong. That anything which comes into our mind in meanwhile, no, it should not destroy our goal.
Okay,
Like this pandemic we are seeing, like most of the people are like very depressed by seeing all those things, but our goal should be that much strong that uh, that it should overcome all the negative things around us.
definitely.
um, Second one must be consistency, I should say.
Okay, good.
If we study 3 days, 15 hours per day, 15 hours per day. After that, if we take rest for 7 days, then there is no use of studying it. So
Studying,
if we
definitely,
study 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours also, if we study daily, then it will be
consistent,
effective. And
definitely,
we are on the track only. We should not deviate from the track.
definitely. And the third one,
Third one must be self confidence.
okay,
Even if I resigned the job, and meanwhile I used to think like whether I did take whether I took right decision or not by resigning this job. All those things I should think, and I should like I'm wasting my time on those things, whether I'll get good rank or not, like that. So
okay,
our like self confidence must be one thing that will drive us like anything.
definitely. So, guys, if you are preparing for the GATE 2022, then the suggestion from the Harichandra is 3 points you have to remember. The first one is motivated towards your target. Whatever the target you have formed, you should stuck on the target. And second one is motivated toward that. And do not, you can say that the think negative things regarding to that your target. If you think the negative now, then definitely it will affect in your preparation also. And even though if you are thinking so much regarding to that, that will not helpful. So always be positive, focus towards the target. And the third one is the consistency is essentially required to get the success, my dear friend. Whether you are preparing for the one day for the 12 hours, and after that 5 days you are enjoying, it does not make any difference. So everyone try to understand, if you want to really want to crack the GATE exam with a good rank, then you should be a consistent. Whether you are preparing for the 3 hour, you have to prepare the 3 hour consistently, right? Daily. Then only you are going to get a good rank, just like a Harichandra. So Harichandra, once again, very congratulations to you, and thank you very much.
And thank you, sir, for motivating us through your speeches and all. Really, those speeches are like, I am a girl like who sleeps like early. But some of your sessions, communication sessions and all, they last for 12, 1 p.m. like that. I thought of like even I start. First, I thought, okay, I'll do some up to 10 p.m. Then after that, I'll sleep. But your words, no, they will make me to stay up to 1 p.m. Then only sleep. They make me to sleep.
That's great. That's great. Even I'm more than happy for the your rank. That what you will get the All India rank 86. That is also great, right? So Harichanda, thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.